Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class, we are in the interesting part of this chapter. As you all know that in yesterday's class, we come across rationalizing the denominator having three terms. That is one of the important concepts to be asked in the examination as well. And even in worksheet, I had given you two such problems. Very happy to share that most of the students have done. And even I had given you the hint as well. Some students have used those hints and they have done it correctly. And regarding the marks list, I've been preparing. Still, I have to get the marks from nearly 7 to 8 students. So today I'll call you personally. Please give your the last weekly test marks so that I can display the marks list in the group only. Okay. Dear students, now we are moving to the next part of the chapter, number system. We are very familiar with surds, nothing but irrational numbers. An irrational root of a rational number is a surd, right? And we can go for simplifying this surd into simplest form. We are going to focus on that. And before going to that, we need to recall some important points what we discussed in your previous classes, that is in 8th standard. You have learned about the chapter called squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. Is it not? Yes or no? I've been only Jaknori is responding. Oh, okay, precious, good. We have learned about the chapter squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. In the beginning of this chapter, I told you that you must learn the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25. Similarly, cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. Because the next concept what we are going to discuss is completely based on these only. Square numbers, cube numbers, fourth numbers, fifth numbers, so on. Okay, once we shall go for recalling. Right now, side heading, recalling squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. Within 3 to 4 minutes, let's go for recalling. Side recalling squares and square roots. Also, cubes and cubes and cube roots. Now, just I am going to give you squares of the numbers from 1 to 20 only. So you have to make two columns. First column, it is for squares. Second column for square roots. Yes, make two columns. Quick as possible. Don't be lagging. Should go on writing with me. Okay, shall we start writing? Okay. Good girl. Lakshmi Shri will always respond properly. Mohita should follow my instructions. Yes. In first column, write square numbers. Nothing but they are squares. Next, their roots. That is square roots. Mohita, have you drawn the table? Have you drawn the table? Yeah. Okay. Start writing with 1 square. Nothing but 1 ones are, which is 1. 1 ones are 1. Next, 2 square. 2 twos are 4. 3 square. 3 threes are 9. 4 square. 4 fours are 16. 5 square. You no need to look at the board. You can just recall and go on writing yourself up to 20. 5 square. 5 fives are 25. 6 square. 6 six are 36. Let me continue that here. 7 square. 7 sevens are 49. 8 square. 8 eights are 64. 9 square. 9 nines are 81. Prashant sir, I request you to unmute everybody because in between I have to get response from.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Dear children, listen carefully. Everybody, listen carefully. So those students who are not going to turn on their video, so automatically you will be removing from the meeting. Okay, from the class. Again, you can't possible to rejoin. So keep this in your mind. If you are removed from the meeting, it is your responsibility. Clear? It is your responsibility. Those students who are not going to turn on their video, they are going to remove from the meeting. If you are removed from the meeting, it is your responsibility. So keep this in your mind. Sir, you may continue, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Trupti, hope that you have finished.
Yes,
You have
sir.
finished everything.
No, sir.
Okay. Right. Continue writing. Prithvi, are you writing? Again, you have entered the name Hema Yogesh. I've told you so many times. Okay. Continue writing. 9 square is over 10 square. 10 square, 10 tens are 100. Next, 11 square, 11 elevens are 121. 12 square, 12 twelves are sorry, not Nadeem.
144.
Fahim.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is 12 square?
144.
140. 13 square.
169.
169. Just continue. 14 square. It is
196.
Fahim. Some other sound
Yes,
is
sir.
coming from your home. Just mute that. Okay. Next, 15 square.
225.
It is 225. 15 15s are 225. Next, you tell what is 16 square?
256.
256. What is 17 square?
289.
289.
289. Wait, I'll give chance. What is 18 square?
324.
324.
Next, we'll continue.
324.
324. 19 square.
361, sir.
360.
361. 20 square.
400.
400. If you want to extend, you can extend that. Ravi Shankar. What is 21 square? Ravi Shankar, 21 21s are.
441. 441.
Yes, 441. Trupti, what is 22 square? 22 22s are. 484.
4.
23 square.
529.
529.
529.
23 is 529. Next. Samarth MV. What is 24 square? 24s are
576.
26.
576. Samarth, you want to tell. What is 25
Sir?
square?
Sir, till how much we should write, sir?
25.
Samarth MV. 25 is 625. 25 square is 625. You must remember at least these numbers, squares of the numbers from 1 to 25. You must learn them if you have not learned. Okay. Next, second column. Just go through second column. In second column, see that. Samarth MV, stop writing. Observe the board. Just observe. Here, square root. Look at the board. Don't go for writing. Here, these are the perfect squares. These are left-hand side column. What is there? They're all perfect square. If they are written in the root, see here is 9. If I write, it is square root of 9. This value, square root of 9, we know that 9 is the square of 3. Hence, it will be 3. Square root of 9 is 3. See, 3 square is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Then, Samarth MV, what is square root of 36?
6. 6.
Samarth MV,
Sir, 6.
very good, very good. What is square root of 25? Samarth,
5.
5. Yes, write yourself remaining. Go and write it. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 16 is 4. Continue up to here. Next. Continue from 7. It is square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81. 81 is 9 nines are. Therefore, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 100. It is 10. Square root of 121. This is 11. Square root of 144. This is 12. Square root of 169. This is 13. Next. Next column. Square root of 196. It is 14. Square root of 196 is 14. Then square root of 225 is 15. Square root of 256 is 16. Square root of 289 is 17. Square root of 324 is 18. Square root of 361 is 19. Square root of 400 is 20. Square root of 441, it is 21. Then square root of 484 is 22. Square root of 529 is 23. Square root of 576 is 24. Written up? Have you written? Okay. Your students repeatedly have been telling you must remember these values. Already you have learned. Just I am making you to recall. If not learned, you must practice them. Next, we shall focus on cubes and cube roots. Again, make next table. Next table, cubes and cube roots. Right. Take two columns. Right. First column, cubes. Second column, cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Yes. Shall we start writing? Shall we start writing? Prashas? Yes. Okay. First, one cube. Look at the board. Don't write, just observe them. If one cube is there, you have to multiply 1 3 times. See the 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, like this. If it is 5 cube is there, it can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, like this. Got it? Whenever, dear students, please do remember, whenever I ask you yes or no question, if it is yes, show this symbol. If no, show this symbol. Okay? Okay. Good. Right. One cube is 1.
1.
2 cube is
8. 8, sir.
oh, wait. Samarth MV, where did you abscond? Samarth MV. Okay, right. Hey, idiot fellow, where did you go? Samarth MV. Where you are gone? Huh? You have to finish everything and sit for the class. Got it? What kind of students? Yes. 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube. 4 4s are
64.
64 are 64. That's are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Next, 5 cube.
125.
125.
125. Amulya CK. You have not mentioned your initial.
Yes, sir.
Amulya, you tell what is 6 cube?
2.
Wait, don't tell. See, very simple. Don't go for multiplying. Very good girl. Sideways she is multiplying. 6 into 6, 36, then into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 260. Arushi, 7 cube.
7, 49.
Count. Very good. You learned about it very long time, no? So that you
343. 343.
Yes, it is 343. Lekha KV. What is 8 cube?
12.
Don't tell. It is 512. Then Rakshita B. What is 9 cube?
729.
729.
I have given chance to Rakshita B. Let her tell. If others will tell, I cannot. 729. Then 10 cube.
1000.
Very difficult.
1000.
1000.
Good. Right. 1000. Next, second column, you are going to write the cube roots. Observe. Look at the board. We write the square root like this. Don't continue to write. First, observe the board. Prajwal SM, look at the board. I've been noticing that a few, 3 students, they were writing the symbol like this. It is wrong. It is wrong, you say. You have to, it should be like a V shape. Then like this. It is square root. If it is cube root, look at the board. Look at the board. 3 and 3 should be inside B. You must 3, it is wrong. You cannot say it as cube root. This is cube root. If it is 4th root, 4 should be inside B. Then like this. Should write in that way only. Right. Cube root. Cube root of 1. Cube root of 1 means 1. Then cube root of 8. 8 is 2 cube, and cube and root 3 get cancelled. It is 2. Cube root of 27. This is 3. Cube root of 64. It is 4 cube. Therefore, it is 4. Cube root of 125. 125 is 5 cube. Therefore, cube root of 125 is 5. Next. Cube root of 216. This is 6. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 729 is 9, and cube root of 1000 is 10. Listen, finished up? Finished or not? Okay. Dear student, could you tell, there is a number whose square is same. Whose square is same as the number?
1.
1.
1 square is 1. Cube is same. Again, 1. Could you tell the number which is both perfect square and perfect cube less than 10?
0.
Yes. We know that 1 is a perfect square.
64.
64.
One only, sir.
Understand my question?
sir.
I've been asking you the question that tell the number which is both perfect square and perfect cube less than 10.
1.
1.
1.
1.
1 is both perfect square and perfect cube. And could you tell which is the 2-digit number which is perfect square and perfect cube?
64.
64.
See,
64.
8 plus 64. Then 4 into 4 is
Cube.
4. That is 64. Remember this one. Now, based on this, let's go for solving some important problems. Right out, side edit. Simplify each of the following. Wait. First write. What examples? What examples? Right. What examples? First, right. Simplify each of the following. Simplify each of the following. In that first one. I've been giving you very simple one. This is square root of 64 plus 3 into square root of 121. Abhinandan?
Sir,
Yes, could you tell the value?
41.
41. Very good. How did you get?
Sir, 64 square is equals to 8. 121 square is 11. 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 8, 41.
What you are telling? What you are telling? We are not taking squares. We are taking square roots.
Yes.
Square root of 64 is 8 plus 3. No, square root of 121.
11.
It is
11.
11.
8 plus 11 3s are
33.
33.
33 plus 8.
33 plus 8,
41.
41.
41.
Second, it is also very simple. Square root of 289 plus cube root of 27.
Sir, answer 20.
Wait. Ketan,
Sir, square root of 289 is 17, sir. And cube root of 27 is 3. 17 plus 3 is 20.
excellent. Good one. Third, shall I give?
Yes, sir.
Square root of 50. Only this part. Vibha, could you try?
Sir, 5 square. So 5 square.
Sir, 5 times root 2. Answer 5 times root 2.
Sanjita,
Yes,
Sanjita, could you try? Square root of 50. Then Shreya D.
Sir,
Oh,
5 times root 5.
5 times root 5.
Sir, 2 times root 25.
Wait.
Sir.
5 times root.
Vibha, could you try again? Vibha. Vibha, I'll give you one hint.
Sir?
I'll give you one hint. That hint is, it is the product of 2 terms. 50 is the product of 2 terms. In that, one is perfect square.
Sir, 25 into 2.
Sir, 2 into root 5.
2 times root 20.
I have given chance to Vibha. Others should not open the mouth.
Sir,
50.
2 into root 5. 2 into root 5.
I'm not asking you the final answer. I've been asking that 15 can be written as the product of 2 numbers.
Sir, 49 plus 1.
1 is perfect square. I've been asking you what is that?
9 plus 1.
7 square plus 1. 7 square plus 1.
Sir,
Okay,
25 into
myself
2.
only.
So 2 times
Sir,
root
25
25 into 2, sir.
I think the
Sir, root
problem is-
25 into root 2. Root 25 is converted in the square is 5, sir. Square root is 5, sir.
Problem is-
5.
many of you are not able to understand English.
So 2 times root 25.
See, again, that one idiot fellow is telling. I've given a chance to Viva, let her try. When your turn comes, then you can respond. If all will start telling that, so nobody can understand anything. Okay, myself only will explain that. See, 15 can be written as 25 to the 25 to the. Now, this rule is applicable to both 25 and 2. Whereas square root of 25 is 5. We are very familiar with that. Into root 2. That's all. Vibha, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gaurav?
Sir, what is that point, sir? Sir, what is that point, sir? Point, sir. 25 root.
Into multiplication. Gaurav?
Yes,
You tell. How do you simplify square root of 98? Gaurav?
Sir,
No, if you are moving this much slow, I think we are not able to finish the chapter as early. Sanjana SM, could you tell? Square root of 98. Ekta?
Sir, can I?
Yashwant?
Sir,
Yashwant?
sir, can I?
Yashwant, tell that.
59 into sir into 2.
Babel? Babel? How do you write square root of 98? Amrita NS?
Sir.
Sir,
Okay,
Can
Shreyas
I-
Kulali.
Sir, root 49 into root 2.
Very good. 98 now. 49 twos are the barithi. 49 twos are 14 into 49 into 2 and another barithi. Or inside the brackets you may write 2. Now this can be written as square root of 49 into square root of 2. Square root of 49 is 7 into root 2 as it is. Next.
Sir. Sir, we can write the square root of 100 minus 2.
Who is that?
Akshay.
Akshay, our intention is to simplify this. If you write 98 as 49 into 2, we have perfect square 49. You can take out 49 from the root. But if you write 100 minus 2, how do you take out? It's not possible.
Okay, sir.
Next one, right. It was given in the examination, put double star mark. It was given for 1 mark. It is square root of 50 minus square root of 98 plus square root of 162. Don't go for telling the answer directly. I'll give you the chance. Shreya, how to write 50?
So 5 root 2 minus
5 into root 2.
yes sir.
Or else you can, let me go for extending one step. Right way. 50 can be written as 25 twos. Similarly, 98 can be written as 49 twos plus square root of 162.
81.
Could you tell? Yes, somebody told it is 81 twos. This is equal to
9
Shreya.
root 2.
Shreya, what is square root of 25?
5 sir.
5. 5 into root 2. Shreya, continue. Square root of 49?
7 root 2. 7 into
Yeah,
root
7
2.
into root 2. Then continue. Square root of 81?
9 into root 2.
Yeah, 9 into root 2.
Root 2.
Now, all are like surds. They can be simplified. Here are like 5 into root 2 minus 7 root 2. 5 minus 7, it is minus 2 into root 2 plus 9 into root 2. Then again these two are like minus 2 plus 9 is 7 into root 2. Hope that you all have understood.
Yes sir.
Sir.
Jaknur, have you got same? Good. Shamita? Good girl. Okay. Siddesh BA, not able to see your face. Keep the mobile properly. Next one. Right. Sixth one. Put double star. It was also given in the examination for 1 mark. Redmi Note. Who is that fellow? You have to enter your name. Right. This is square root of 5 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 45. This problem can also be solved like previous one. I expect from Ananya SN. Ananya, how do you go for simplifying? First term is root 5. Is it in simplest form? Ananya? The root 5 already simplest form is there. So we can write as it is. Ananya SN, you tell how to write square root of 20.
10 into 2.
10 into 2, of course. Do you say 10 is a perfect square?
No sir.
No. Then
Sir, 4 into 5. 4 into
4 into
5.
5.
4 into 5. 4 into 5 root.
correct you. All of you are right. Only. I give a chance that girl. It is 4 5s are 20. 4 is a perfect square. Plus 49. Don't tell. Sahana SG. Sahana SG. Then Redmi Note. Okay. Prerana K. Square root of 45.
9 into
9 5s.
Yes, it is 9 5s are 9 5s are 45. 9 is a perfect square. Now go for simplifying this. Prithvi, are you writing with me? Yes. Okay. It is root 5 plus square root of 4 into 5. Square root of 4 is 2 into root 5. Then square root of 9 into 5. Square root of 9 is 3 into root 5. Then all are like terms. Root 5, root 5, root 5. So just go for simplifying by taking the coefficient. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 into root 5. Chandana, did you understand? Chandana, you? Yeah, very good. Let me go for giving you another one. Again, put double star mark. This was also asked in the examination. Right. It is 7th one. Square root of 48 minus square root of 72 minus square root of 27 plus square root of 2 into square root of 18. Now let's go for simplifying this. Sanvi, have you copied this? Have you copied? Okay, then let's tell the first step.
6 8, sir.
6
Wait.
8.
She is telling, and the mass 6 8s are correct, but 6, is it a perfect square? Whether 8 is a perfect square?
No, sir.
4 12s are. 4 12s are.
4 12s are.
Virupakshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do you write square root of 48?
Sir, 4 12s are.
4 12s are. Is there any other possibility to take bigger number as perfect square?
16 into 3, sir.
Wait.
16.
Yes, you are right. It is 16 3s are. See the 16 is a perfect square. You 4 into 12 anta baribodu, but again in ಮತ್ತೆ 12 ನ ನೀವು simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 3s ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ better to take 16 3s. And Sumuk.
Minus 36. 2s.
Sumuk is telling it is 36 2s are 36 2s are 70. Mohammed Sadiq, how to write square root of 27? Table na ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ recall ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
3s are.
9 3s are.
9 3s are.
9
And Ananya Attikal. Yes. You tell. How to write 18? Square root of 18.
9 2s.
9 2s are.
Very good. It is 9 2s are. Very good. Now please continue. Please continue. This is equal. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 into root 3. Square root of 36 is 6 into root. Square root of 9 is 3 into root 3. Plus 2 into square root of 9 is 3 into root. Ananya Hatika? Yes. Can it be simplified?
4 minus x.
You just identify the like terms. 4 into root 3 minus 3 into root 3. These two are like terms. Then what is 4 minus 3?
4 minus 3.
Root 3.
1.
Root 3.
So 1 into
Root 3.
root 3. Well, Observe it. 2 3 6. 6 into root 2. Plus 6 into root 2.
Cancel.
Very good, very good. Minus 6 into root 2. They get cancelled. Now it is just root 3. Any doubt? Yes or no?
sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Not
I
single.
not understood, sir. Sir, I
Is
not
there no doubt?
understood.
Like this. No doubt like this.
Sir,
Good.
explain once. Sir.
Lavanya, Ananya, they're correctly responding. Okay.
Sir, I not understood, sir.
Sir, explain last step.
Yes, sir.
Last. Okay. I'll come to according to your method. Let's move on to LKG method. Means to increase number of steps. I'm sorry. I'll write 4 into root 3 as it is, minus 6 into root 2 as it is, minus 3 into root 3 as it is. Whereas fourth term, 2 3s are 6. 6 into root 2. Now I'll take like terms. 4 times root 3 minus 3 times root 3. These two are like. So coefficient. Here is 4. Here is minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 into root. Then minus 6. Here, observe it. Root 2 is there. Here also root. This is minus 6. This is plus 6. They get cancel. Plus 0. Then final answer will be root 3. Abhinandan, understood?
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
understood.
Yes, sir.
Symbol. Okay. Now I'm going to take last two. These are regarding cube. I hope that you have completed this one.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Next one, it is 8 1. Right. Cube root of 16 plus cube root of 54. 3 should be inside B plus cube root of 192 minus cube root of 375. The students put double star mark for this also. Let's move on to solution. How? Observe.
8 2s are.
Wait. Just listen to me. Says Emmet. Still you are writing. Look at. You can notice that these are all cube root numbers. Cube root numbers. So far we discussed about square root numbers. This is cube roots. Hence you need to recall cube numbers. 1, 8, 27, 81, 125. Is it not? 500, so 216.
43.
Then 512. Many are there. All others are here. Cube root of 16. First one myself only written. Observe. Siddesh, alias Sidhu. Where are you? Are you in the classroom? I don't think so. Observe. Here, cube root of 16. 16, we know that it is a perfect square. But Namige, we don't want perfect square.
8 2s.
I've been telling you repeatedly. Keep the mobile properly. Don't touch it openly. Just focus on the class. 16 is a perfect square, but we don't want perfect square. We want perfect cube. We have the perfect cubes. 1 is a perfect cube, 8 is a perfect cube, 27
8
is a
twos
perfect
are.
cube and so on. Here 16 is there. We can write
8
this.
twos are.
8 twos are 16.
Gaurav, did you understand? Okay. Next. Cube root of
27 twos are.
27 twos are.
27 twos.
I'll give you chance. Just wait. Okay, already you did that. Very good. I appreciate it. 54 can be written as 27. No, because 27 is a perfect cube. Next. Cube root of
Sir,
192. Wait. Wait. Hmm.
64 threes are.
Wait. Redmi Note. I think Amog, sit properly. You are shaking your body like anything. You'll go backside and all of a sudden you'll come front and you are oscillating left and right side. What is this? It's classroom. Okay. Prerana,
Yes, sir.
Prerana K Kanasap.
64 threes are, sir.
64 threes are.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 64 threes are. 64 is a perfect cube. You can follow this way. 192 and here, this is 2. 9s are 18. 1 will remain. It becomes 12. 2. 6 are. Then this is 2. 4s are 8s are. This is 2. 2s are 24s are. Then 2. 12s are. 2. 6 are. 2. 3s are. Observe. We can 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. It is a perfect cube. Now I write 192 as 64 3s are. Similar minus cube root of 375 is there.
Sir,
125 threes are. 125 threes are.
Very good. It is 125 threes are. 125 threes are. Chetan Esa. How to write the first term? We have cube root of 8 into 2. What is cube root of 8? Chetan
That's
Esa. 2. Yes. Cube root of 8 is 2. Then cube root of 2 as it is. Next one. Cube root of 27.
3.
Cube root of 27 is 3 into cube root of 2 plus cube root of 64.
4.
4. Very good. 4 into cube root of 3 minus cube root of 125.
5.
5
5 into cube root of 3. Group the like terms. Yeah, first two are like terms. Cube root 2, cube root 2. Here, observe the coefficient. 2 and 3 are there. Add them. 2 plus 3.
5 cube root 2. 5 cube root
5
2.
into cube root of 2.
Minus cube root 3.
Cube root 3.
Cube root of 3. Cube root of 3.
Minus cube.
Like term.
Cube minus cube root 3.
Yes. Observe the coefficient. 4 and this is minus 5. 4 minus 5 is
Plus 1.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus
3.
Minus cube root of 3.
Root 3.
and further simplification is not possible because it is cube root 2 is there, here cube root 3 is there. Radicands are
Unlike.
different. Now, let me go for taking last one. Afterwards, we move on to the next concept. Right, ninth one. Ninth one to double star. Right. It is 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root of 225.
Sir, 27 3, sir.
Wait. First you copy this. Copy this.
Oh, 27 बराबर.
Have you copied? Have you
Yes, sir.
copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now observe. Manya, please look at the board. And could you tell me what observation that we can make by knowing all the 4 terms? Just I want only the observation.
Sir, the orders are different. The orders are different.
Orders are different. Then radicals, are they same?
No, sir.
No.
They're also
Unlike.
no,
Unlike.
unlike
terms.
Not unlike, but just a simple observation that you can make is, this is the problem in which the different order numbers are there. As Manya said, first it is, look here, square root, cube root, 4th root, and 5th root. All 4 are there. Now let us go for simplifying. Could you tell? 4th root of 81. Just look here.
3.
Here I'll show that.
3, sir.
81
3 into 3
can be written as 3. 2 are 7. Then this is 3. 9 are 3. 3 is up. So 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. Got it? Start with the
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4th root of 81. It is nothing but just 3. It is 3 raised to the power 4.
Sir, 4 root.
Now, please don't write.
Sir.
First observe. I'll give you time for writing. Minus 8 into cube root of 216. Actually, we are very familiar with cube numbers. Direct again, bari boda.
6, sir.
6 cube, sir.
Cube root of 216.
6 cube.
6.
It is 6. Plus, 5th root is gottilla. So let's do one thing. Yagna, I've been telling you repeatedly not to write.
Sir, 5.
42 is it? No, 42. It can be divided by 2. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2 5. Now 2 raised to the power 5. 5th root of 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Plus square root of
15.
We are very familiar with this.
15.
Don't copy. I'll give you time. This is equal. Okay. Here 4th root power 4. Get cancelled. This is 3. Next. 8 6
minus 48.
48
Minus 48.
48. Still you are writing. Still you are writing. Hope that you can understand English. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ just I am asking you to focus completely on my explanation and writing. ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀಯ. Next.
5 times cancels. 5 and 5 cancel.
Okay. Fifth root power 5 get cancelled.
Get cancel.
You will get 2. Then plus 50 as D. Okay. 15 2s are 30.
30.
30 plus 50, 45.
45.
45.
3,
48.
48. So
0.
48.
Zero.
Next, remaining.
0.
Two ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 48 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Then minus 40. 48 minus 48.
0.
0.
Okay. If you get answer 0 for this problem, if you get answer 0, you get 1 mark. If you get, if your answer is other than 0, you will get 0 mark. Got it? Why is it for writing? Right. Copy. Good luck. Copy this. Copy my problem. For your reference, I have written here. Working column. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Others not necessary. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ no need to go for writing. Amrita, I'll explain it. Hope that you have copied.
Sir, side please. Sir.
Okay. Okay. Stop writing. Just once I explain this briefly. Very simple. As you are very familiar with perfect squares and perfect cube, you can write their values directly. If it is other than that, maybe 4th root, 5th root, 6th root, maximum 7th root. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ maximum 7th root ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Here they are given 4th root. That's why you just go for finding the factorization of the given number. 81 is 327 are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 raised to the power 4. Write that 3 raised to the power 4 in place of 81. Then cancel 4th root power 4. Similar 5th root 32. Finding the factorization, you get 2 raised to the power 5. Substitute that here. Then 5th root power 5 get cancelled. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to the next function.
Yes, sir.
Observe. Dear students, I go for taking a number 81. Is it a perfect square or perfect cube?
Perfect cube.
Perfect cube.
Perfect square. Perfect square.
Perfect square.
Perfect square.
81.
Perfect square.
Square,
Enough.
sir.
Perfect square.
Now, it is perfect square. 9 9s are.
8 cube.
Just I have shown you that can be factorized as 3 2s are 2 will remain 1. It becomes 21, then 7s. 3
Nines
9s. 3
Threes
3. Now 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Observe,
power 4.
total 4 times 3 is there. I can write it as 3 raised to the power 4. 81 is expressed as the repeated factor like this. 3 raised to the power 4. And here 4 represents number of times the factor is repeated. Got it? So this, the method of expressing the given number as the product of its repeated factors. Factorization, of course, it is method of expressing the given number as the product of its factors. I've been telling you that because repeated factor now express method of expressing the given number as the product of its repeated factors.
Expressing perfect square.
Factorization.
This is known as
Express.
Exponents.
very good.
Exponents.
Exponent.
Is it not? Here,
Yes, sir.
3 raised to the power 4 is there. Don't say it as 3 raised to the power of. It is just 3 raised to the power 4. Then what do you call 3?
Base.
3 is base.
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 Very good.
Power.
4 is called
Power.
Power.
power or index.
Index.
Then all together it is exponential form of
Exponents.
the given number. Exponent. Got it?
Yes,
Dear
sir.
students, you have learned about exponents as well as laws of exponents in your previous classes. Is it not?
7 laws.
Shifa,
There are 7
Shifa
laws.
Alia. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, just we shall go for recalling laws of exponents. Please write. Say it. Laws of exponents. LAWS. Laws of exponents. Have you written? Now just to look at them. Here, look at the board, don't write. Don't write. Here, 2 raised to the power m is. Sorry. Okay. 2 raised to the power 5 is there into 2 raised to the power 7 is there.
5 plus 7.
Look here. Dear
2
students,
raised to the power 5 plus.
two numbers which are expressed in exponential form. One is 2 raised to the power 5 and another one is 2 raised to the power 7. Samarth, could you tell what observation we can make in these two?
We should add, sir.
Wait. Prajwalesham,
So,
observation in these two numbers.
so the base is same.
Sir,
Very good, very good. That is what I expected. You can say that. So in these two numbers,
The
base
base
is
is
same, but powers are
different.
We have a rule that if bases are same and powers are maybe same or different, under such condition, we will go for adding them.
adding the power.
5
2 to the power
is 2 raised to the power 12.
12.
Do you understand?
is so.
Yes,
One
sir.
law. Very simple. Very simple. It is when the bases are same, add the powers. When the bases are same, add the powers. Right. First law. Generally, it can be written as a raised to the power m. A raised to the power n. Bases a anta thodde. Powers they are different. M and n.
Power
Take
m
it
plus
a raised to the power m plus n. And write an example for this. Example, copy the same. Right. 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 7 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 plus 7. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 12. Alright.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll go for taking another example. Look at that. 3 raised to the power 7 divided by 3 raised to the power 4.
So 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4.
Minus
the power 7 minus 4.
Very good. Here also, you can come to know that one exponent is divided by another exponent, and the bases are same, powers are different. Here, 3 raised to the power
7 minus
powers
4.
is there, 7
minus
and
4.
denominator 4 is there.
Minus 3.
We taken to the numerator.
minus 4.
Minus. And this is equal to 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4 is 3.
3.
This is second. Second ability can be written as a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Take an example for this. This is 3 raised to the power 7 by 3 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now let me go for taking another example. Here, look at the board. 2 raised to the power 3. Then 4 raised to the power 4 is after.
3 into 4.
2 to the power 3 into 4. 2 raised to the power 3 into 4.
It should be first.
To the power
It
of
should
3
be
into
read
4.
as 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 4, and can be written as 2 raised to the power. This power is there. This power is there. Then under such condition, you go for multiplying 3 into 4. 3 4
12.
12. 2 raised to the power 12.
12.
12.
A raised to the power m, 4 raised to the power n. Then it can be written as a raised to the power m into n. Copy. Third law. A raised to the power m, 4 raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. Example, I'll take another one. It is 2 raised to the power 5, 4 raised to the power 7. This can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 into 7. It is 2 raised to the power 5 sevens are 35. Observe it. Look at the board. Everybody should look at the board carefully. I am writing 2 raised to the power 35 in 2 different ways. You have to tell which one is correct. First one or second one?
First one.
First one.
First one.
First one. First one is correct.
Power could be written here only. Some students they'll write on a fast it looks like 235. So avoid writing like this. It must be written in this way only. Next one. Fourth one, and before that, I'll take an example. Here, 2 is there, by 3 is there, 4 raised to the power 5 is there.
My
2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5.
4 raised to the power 5. Numerator and denominator both are different, and we have whole power is there. Now this power should be applicable to both numerator and denominator.
Power 5.
This can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5.
5.
And generally it can be written like this. Fourth law, right with me. Fourth law, it is numerator and denominator terms are different. I write A by B. 4 raised to the power mn ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. This is equal to A raised to the power m by B raised to the power m. Write an example. Example. It is 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 5. It's can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5. Ora?
yes, sir.
Similarly, I'll give you another one. Vibha, look at the board. Your room is dark, I think. Oh. Okay, observe. Here I'm writing again 2 different numbers, 2 and 3. That is 2 into 3. 4 raised to the power 5 is there.
2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5.
Division is
to the power of 5 into
apply power to
power of
both
5.
numerator and denominator. Here product is there. So your power should be applicable to again both the numbers. This is 2 raised to the power 5 and 3 raised to the power 5. Now generally it can be written as fifth one, right? Right, it is A into B 4 raised to the power m is equal to A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m. Now write an example. This is 2 into 3 4 raised to the power 5 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5. Ora?
Yes, sir.
Just answer.
Yes, sir.
Next one is, look at Siddesh. Keep the mobile properly. I'm not at all able to see your face. Next one. Observe. Here are right. A, sorry. 2 by 3. 4 raised to the power minus 1. Are you keeping?
We should
Three
take
by
this.
You interchange the number.
Wait.
3 by 2.
Sir, reciprocal, sir.
Power is there. Observe here. When the power is negative, you have to take the reciprocal of this number. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3?
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
2 by 2.
Over minus 1 is there, it becomes plus 1. And then plus minus 2 is there, it will be plus 2.
Plus 2.
Taking the reciprocal of the number. If it is minus 3, this will be plus 3. Like this. Now, I'll write the general form as sixth one. Sixth law. It is A by B whole raised to the power minus n. N may be any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Then this is equal to B by A plus n. Example, right. 2 by 3 minus 4. This can be written as 3 by 2 whole raised to the power plus 4. I mean, but the 4 you apply 3 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4. Like this. Next, I'll take another example.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Listen. Suppose 3 raised to the power minus 1 is there.
1 by 3.
Very good. It can be written as 1 by 3. Like this.
A power minus
If A
7
raised
is
to the
equal
power
to 1 by
minus
A
1,
power m. 1 by A.
1 by A. A raised to the power minus 2.
E to the power 0.
1 by
2 by A.
No,
No.
1 by
1
A
by
square.
A. 1 by A
square.
1 by A square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If A raised to the power minus 3.
1
1
by
by A
1
power
by
by
A.
A.
A
Cube.
raised to the power minus 10.
1 by A to the
1 by A power n.
minus
1
By A raised to the power n.
n.
This is the next law. Right. Seventh law. Seventh law. This is A raised to the power minus n.
0.
Written as 1 by A raised to the power plus n. Right. Example.
Hema Yogesh. Hema Yogesh. Sit properly. What are you doing?
2 raised to the power minus 3. This can be written as
1 by
1 by 2 power 3. 1 by 8.
2 raised to the power plus 3. Next, last one will be clear. So many are there, but these are enough. Now, 8th one. Shamita, Philista. Okay, look at it. What is the value of 2 raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
1.
1.
3 raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
10 raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
100 raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
A power 0 is equal to 1.
It is 1.
1.
Not 1. 1. 1.
1.
1000 raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
Got it? From this we can come to know that anything raised to the power 0 is
1.
always 1. Anything raised to the power 0. I take that number as A. If it is so, what is A raised to the power 0?
1.
1.
1.
Right.
Sir, why 1, sir?
The reason is when the power is, if power is 1, its value is, okay, 2 raised to the power 1 is there, power is 1, its value will be, it is 1 time. If power is 2, then it is 2 times. Got it? If there is no power, there will be just a number 1. So that's why anything raised to the power 0 is to be taken as 1. Right? Example, it is 11 raised to the power 0 is 1. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Still we
Yes,
have
sir.
few
Yes,
other
sir.
laws with respect to real numbers. Real number, that is square root numbers. So we will go for discussing those in tomorrow's class. So
Sir,
today
exercise?
up to here,
Exercise?
Exercise 1.5.
Exercise
Huh?
1.5.
wait,
Exercise
I'll
1.
make you
Exercise
to solve
1.5.
exercise number 1.4 or 1.5 together. Now just I've been covering the concepts. Got it? Have you copied up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today
Yes,
also
sir.
I'll give you some of the important problems related to this. Sorry, not laws of exponents, previous.
Okay.
We simplified some of the irrational numbers. Based on that, some problems will be given. And please do practice whatever the problems we have solved today. And learn the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25. If possible, up to 30. And cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. It is must. Okay. And please do maintain the notes. That is, soon after every concept is over, draw the line with the scale and pencil without fail. Okay, with this, shall we conclude the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Ah,
sir.
okay, okay, okay.
Thank
you, sir.
Very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.